Hi, I'm Lara Grayson, Senior Fashion Content Creator at Fabulous Magazine. I'm a high street, affordable girl through and through.
And I'm Blair, a style expert. I always get like a sneaky dupe. Do you know where I get a cheeky find from? Amazon. And today we're going to be playing the high-low edit.
Brought to you by Fabulous Bingo.
So today we've got two outfits, one slightly more expensive, the other one affordable, both off the high street, and we have to guess each other's, which is high, which is low.
I'm really excited about this game.
Me too. It's based on Devil Wears Prada. That's our theme today.
Obviously, we've seen a few of the looks coming through on socials, but when I think of Devil Wears Prada, I don't know about you, I just think of like smart tailoring, OTT accessories, a bit lavish.
Are you more Andy or are you more Miranda?
I'd say more Miranda, you know?
I've got a question for you. On the high street, what's your sneaky shop where you know you can get decent pieces that no one will know how much they are?
Ooh.
Like, someone's going to be shocked when you say it's from that brand.
Okay, I mean, I'm a high street, affordable girl through and through. I would say, you know, it's going to be the ones like ASOS, who have those really, really affordable pieces, but they look really luxe.
Do you know where I get a cheeky find from? Amazon.
Ooh.
All the like Phoebe Philo sunglasses.
Oh, really?
And like the belt, I always get like a sneaky dupe. I'm so excited to see what you've got.
Okay, I'm going to show you my outfits. So these are my two looks inspired by Devil Wears Prada. As you may know, I'm a colourful person, so I've gone for two very colourful looks. What are your initial thoughts?
I like them. Well, I like the pink one best. Write down in the comments down below which you think is high and which you think is low. I think, just because I can tell a good tailoring when I see it, this wool is beautiful. And like, I feel like you can always tell an expensive or like a more spenny.
I'm staying quiet.
With the button detailing. And you can tell with the fabric on this as well. So that, my guess, I don't know, but my guess would be that that is the more expensive one. This, I feel like this is the more affordable one, just from how good that is, but this still looks chic. So what is your favorite, just out of interest?
Like I said, I'm not giving anything away.
No, which is your favorite? What would you wear?
I would wear both. I absolutely love both of these. I obviously love the full pink drenched look, and then this colour with like the limeys and the yellows. And I just think, obviously, when we see Devil Wears Prada, what we said before, tailoring is really key, isn't it?
I feel like this is Emily Blunt's character.
Oh yeah, okay.
More than the others.
But I do feel like Andy would wear a blazer like this.
She would.
So I've kind of done a take on that, but she would probably pair it with a pair of jeans, do you know what I mean? So Laura, final answer. Which one is the high and which one is the low?
I'm gonna go for this one over here as the high, because I think I actually have this blazer in a different colourway. So this is my high one, this is the low.
Okay, can we have a drum roll? My high outfit is in fact this one, the pink. You were very right with the blazer. It does just look very, very luxe. I'm just gonna run through where everything's from. This look, I've obviously gone for the pink theme. I've gone for the gorgeous satin blouse, and then I've gone for the boucle check jacket on top. I've also finished the look off with the pink wide leg trouser. So this blazer is Holland Cooper. The blouse is also Holland Cooper, and the trousers are from River Island. The trousers are actually the most affordable item in this outfit because they are £49. I have gone all full colour, so I have gone with these Kurt Geiger shoes and the Perspex strap. I have finished the look with this amazing bag, which is from Mango, and it is £299, which obviously is an investment piece, but I feel like it really fits the theme of Devil Wears Prada too. So the total price for this outfit is £895.99. So my second outfit, which is my more affordable outfit, which looks really luxe, and it's power tailoring at its best. And this suit is from M&S. M&S do such good tailoring, but they're just upping their game even more at the moment. I have also teamed it with a pair of yellow shade shoes. I feel like I'm one for a furry shoe, so I'd probably wear the shoes, you know, to go to Aldi or somewhere. So the total of my low edit is £136.
Do you know what I love about your style? You mix the different textures in, and I really like the play on fabrics. It reminds me of like Sex and the City, Emily in Paris. Okay, so these are my two looks. Which one do you think is high and which one do you think is low? Also, in the comments down below, let me know.
Do you know what? I keep like having an argument with myself
I told you it was hot.
Because I feel like this is such classic pieces that it could be the most expensive one, because it could be the jeans, you know, a bit higher end with the blazer. This could so be high or low. And I don't want to go for this being the high and then I've got it wrong and then I've annoyed myself.
I pride myself in making affordable things look expensive.
I'm just going to guess that.
And the fact that you can't tell just shows you can shop anything and make it look good.
Oh my God, yeah. Do you know what? I'm just going to go with my gut. And I actually think that that one
Is the high.
that you're using more expensive separates rather than it being a full suit.
Okay, so-
Am I wrong?
We're going to go for this for the high. Drum roll, the high is this one.
Oh, okay, where's it from?
It's from Mango. But I think this is really based on Andy. I think
Oh,
this
yes,
is her
okay.
style very, very well. But also the character Emily Blunt, she had navy pinstripe.
Okay.
In the second movie, I was having a little Google, she wears a lot of navy pinstripes. So let's talk through the high edit. We've got a mango top, it's $29.99, so even though this is the high edit, it's still, the individual pieces are very affordable. So we've got a mango suit, mango trousers. I just think this is a really great workwear outfit, the individual pieces you can wear for daytime with like jeans. These heels are an absolute find. They're from Zara and I've got them in every colour. I've got some aviator sunglasses, and then we have this gorgeous bag from Holland Cooper. This outfit comes all together, $498.95. Let's talk about the low edit. Now, I feel like these jeans were such a find. They're from Bershka via ASOS, and I think whoever is picking the Bershka pieces for ASOS has such a good eye. This is an F&F man shirt, and I think layering a shirt underneath a blazer is a really good way to make something look chic. You could even wrap a belt around it, which pulls in the look all together. This whole outfit is £179.45. Okay, I enjoyed that a lot. This is my forte. I feel like I can really tell when people shop. I don't know what it is. Sometimes I walk into a place and I'm like, Zara, Mango, got that. It's a shop too much, isn't
I
it?
feel like I say, you're very competitive, and like you say, that is your forte.
What was your favourite piece?
My favourite piece out of my looks, I actually think my full favourite outfit is the pink, because I am a bit of a pink girly. I love that full look, and the mango bag especially. Out of your looks, I wouldn't wear them,
No
but
colour in sight.
I did like that you've brought in the menswear shirt, because I love that style tip as well, wearing a menswear shirt and looking through the men's section, especially for shirts and tailoring.
So the final score is 1-0 to me. Thank you for playing along at home. If you commented down below, please like and subscribe. Join us for next time, because we're going to continue this.
Thank you so much to Fabulous Bingo for this episode.
And do remember to like and subscribe, and to join us next time for another challenge. Who do you think will win?
I'm still going to put bets on you.